This video provides a brief demonstration of the machine condition monitoring, which leverages a vibration smart sensor to diagnose the health status of the motorized equipment. Some clients experience unexpected motor failure that can stop production, leading to financial losses and missed deadlines. These breakdowns will also disrupt operations and lead to higher maintenance costs. Here's what IOTech could provide. Our MCM solution uses a vibration smart sensor to monitor the vibration of the motor and detect potential issue early. The sensor will send data to a gateway with IOTech Edge Central software for storage and analysis. Results will be displayed on the dashboard and can be exported to the cloud or system like MES. MCM solution provides early warnings for predictive maintenance and scheduled repairs, preventing costly interruptions. With IOTech Edge Central, customers can effortlessly collect data from smart sensors and integrate with backend services to optimize maintenance schedules, extend equipment lifespan, and boost overall productivity.